Okay, here's just a quick little video on finding pH or finding hydronium ion concentration of a solution. I'll look at sig figs and scientific notation. So the first question says, find the pH of a solution that has a hydronium or hydrogen ion concentration of 0.0395 moles per liter. So the formula I'll use is pH is equal to the negative log of the hydronium ion concentration. So I'm finding pH, so it's negative log of 0.0395. So in here I have 3 sig figs, so my answer I need to have 3 sig figs. So let's go to decimals here and see if we can figure this out. So I have negative, and then under miscellaneous log, and that's assumed to be base 10, of 0.0395. There we go. So our answer comes out to 1.4034029, etc. Again, pH doesn't have a unit, so it would just be a number. So here I said 3 sig figs. In logarithms, the significant figures are only the digits after the decimal place. So 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 1.40. Since this is less than 5, I'll leave this one at 3. So that would be my pH. Okay, let's try the next one. So the next one, they're asking to find the hydronium ion concentration. So this time I need to know this, and I have that. And you can manipulate the formula, but I'll give you this on the test. The formula is hydronium ion concentration is equal to 10 to the negative pH. Okay, so it'd be 10 to the negative 3.21. Now notice in this question here, there are only 2 sig figs. So in my answer, I'm only going to give 2 sig figs. Let's bring back decimals. So 10 to the negative 3.21. Okay, 10 to the negative 3.21. Here we go. So my answer came out to 0.000616595, etc. So in the pH, I only had 2 sig figs, so I can only give 2 sig figs here. So 0.000, front zeros don't count. There's my first sig fig. Since this one is above 5, I'll round that up to a 2. So this would be my concentration of hydronium ions. Now, that's written as standard notation. I could also change it to scientific notation. So scientific notation, I move my decimal enough places. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it comes right after the first non-zero number. So my decimal would be 6.2. So I've moved the decimal, and then I express how many times I moved it as a power of 10. Since this was, I moved it 4 times. Since this is a small number, this will be negative 4. And this is a concentration, so I should have this as moles per liter or molar. Let's just try those other 2 and see how we fare with those. Find the pOH, okay? So pOH formula is negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration. So it'll be negative log of, 1.45 times 10 to the minus 4. 1.45 times 10 to the minus 4. Okay, so decimals, 1.45. Okay, so negative log of 1.45 times 10 to the, to the negative 4. There we go. So that comes out to 3.83863, etc. In my question, the concentration has 3 digits, so I need 3 decimal places in my pH. 3.839. That'll be my pOH. Okay, and then the next question, same as number 2, but just with hydroxide ion concentration, is it's equal to 10 to the negative pOH. And they say in this question that pOH is 6.43. 6.43, so 10 to the negative 6.43. Now that's a pOH, so there's 2 sig figs there. Okay, let's do it on my calculator. 10 to the negative 6.43. There we go. So it's 3.71535, etc., times 10 to the minus 7. So looking at sig figs, I only can give 2, so it'd be 3.7 times 10 to the minus 7. All right, hopefully that helps you out.